Who's the Cherokee that called?
Hi, this is Cherokee 81250, about 15 miles to the east with Gulf inbound for landing.
81250 Naples Tower, continue westbound along the highway, report 5 miles east.
We'll report 5 miles east, 250.
This is okay, right? Along the highway?
Yep. I'll take the controls once we get to about 10 miles out.
Going to Naples Aviation, sir, off the right.
Right, turn out for 4, ground point 6, have a good one.
Alpha 4, ground 8.
We're going to want to get down to 1,000 feet. All right, we can actually do our pre-landing checklist now.
Okay.
So I'm going to bring that up, checklist.
135
landing.
Tango Naples Tower.
Fuel selector is on proper tank.
Clear for takeoff, no delay.
Good.
From full length.
Checks are good, seatbelts are good, electric fuel pump's going to come on. Mixture is full rich. Flaps will put as necessary, air conditioner is not needed, and we're good.
Car repeat?
Car beat is off. Thank you, though. That should be on here.
Why does the fuel pump come on now?
Because that's part of the landing checklist. Actually, and landing lights come on as well.
At 247 Naples Tower, Roger, square the turn to final and start slowing it up for me. Runway 5 cleared to land. I'll have a few departures ahead of you.
Okay, we'll slow it up as much as we can.
We made pretty good time.
1250, go to the south side of the highway for me, please, and report a midfield right downwind for runway 5.
South side of the highway, and we'll report midfield for downwind for runway 5, 250. So we want to set our petting buck to 5.
799, contact departure, see ya.
799, departure, we'll see you.
That's our runway bug.
Landing on runway 5?
Yep.
Naples Tower, 87 Sierra Foxtrot, with you on a visual 5.
87 Sierra Foxtrot, Naples Tower, Roger, square the turn to final, runway 5, cleared to land, winds 330 at 8. I have multiple departures ahead of your arrival.
Alright, we'll square the turn, clear to land, 5, 7 Sierra Fox.
That airplane rolling right now? I'm rolling off the runway.
Yeah.
Naples Tower, Banana deployed Juliet Lima, 10 south-south west to the field, or southeast to the field, and southwest stall.
It's 48 Juliet Lima, Roger, continue. Flight 427, you going to Naples, or 247, you going to Naples Aviation?
That's from.
Right, turn Alpha 5, Alpha depart.
Alpha 5 to Alpha departing for 47, thank you.
Exojet 546, Naples Tower, turn right, heading 060, runway 5 at Delta 1, clear for an immediate takeoff.
Right to 060, and clear for immediate takeoff, Exojet 541.
917 Bravo Tango, can you take an immediate as well?
7 Bravo Tango, ready for departure.
Thanks. 87 Sierra Fox, try if you can reduce to as slow as practical.
Alright, we'll slow as much as possible, 7 Sierra Fox.
We're at pattern altitude.
Line 17 Bravo Tango, turn left heading 040, runway 5 at Delta 1, clear for an immediate takeoff.
7 Bravo Tango, clear for takeoff and turning to heading 040.
Ray 441 Hotel, go ahead and start that right turn and just fly a little bit wider of a downwind for me, please.
Traffic on final.
Exojet 546, contact departure, see ya.
Board departure 546.
Perfect, we're entering in on a 45. Beautiful. And Naples Tower, Cherokee 81250, about midfield for 5.
Cherokee 81250, roger, extend down when I'll call your base.
Roger that, you'll call my base, 250.
8441 Hotel, runway 5, cleared to land, the wind's 33010, departure ahead of your arrival will be a citation.
Runway 05, clear to land. We'll be looking for the citation. November 8441 Hotel.
That's for 8 Juliet Lima, just one right 360 at your present position for sequence, please.
Right 360, come out. Naples Tower, Arrow 8320 Hotel, about 15 west, inbound full stop with Gulf.
870 Foxtrot, where do you park?
Just keep eyes out.
Over here in Naples,
He'd be looking for us too, but...
70 Foxtrot, right turn there, and ground point 6, see ya.
Alright, right turn, ground point 6, come on.
75 Delta Hotel, Naples Tower, turn right, heading 060, runway 5 at Delta 1, clear for an immediate takeoff.
060, clear for an
It'll
immediate.
slow up a little bit.
Delta 175 Delta Hotel.
There was one notch of flaps in.
Naples Tower, November 8427 kilo, currently 14 miles to the northeast, inbound.
We're 8427 kilo, Naples Tower, fly westbound to the shoreline, report when you're there, please.
We'll go November 427 kilo.
81250, you are looking for Cherokee traffic on the opposite base. Let me know when you get them in sight, please.
Looking for traffic, 250.
Exit 2501, left 360 for sequence.
Left 360 for sequence, 250.
48 Juliet Lima, I'll need one more 360, please.
Hotel.
Okay, so we'll do a standard return.
320 Hotel.
8320 Hotel, Naples Tower.
Miles east, inbound full stop with Gulf.
8320 Hotel, Naples Tower, roger, report 5 miles east.
Report 5 miles east for 8320 Hotel.
And Tower 9017 Bravo Tango, level 2000, 040.
7 Bravo Tango, contact departure, see ya.
Bravo Tango, with departure, thank you.
Yeah, it's busy.
75 Delta Hotel, contact departure, see ya.
This is a holding pattern.
Okay.
Two Gulf here on the...
Want to fly at around 100 knots and right on that green arrow.
2 Golf Sierra, Naples Tower, you're following Cherokee traffic over the beach on final number 2, runway 5, cleared to land.
Alright, we'll follow him, clear land, number 5, 2 Gulf here. Tower, Airshore 337, short of Alpha on 5, in the water, ready when you are.
Airshore 337, roger, I got one arrival and I'll get you moving.
Climb.
48 Juliet Lima, are you complete with the 360?
Yep.
One more, please. Yeah, I've got somebody holding on the right downwind, which is where I want to put you, so once he gets out of the way, I'll get you there.
Okay.
Tower 250 just finished its 360.
Number 250, roger, extend downwind, you are following citation traffic on a 5-mile funnel.
Roger, I have traffic in sight, 250.
250, I've got a Cherokee on short funnel, there's a citation on a 5-mile funnel. Want to make sure you're looking at the right one.
Thank you, no, yeah, I'll be looking for traffic, 250. 5-mile final. So we want to look for the next traffic, and we're basically being this is
48 Juliet Lima, out of this one, you can report the midfield right downwind for runway 5.
got traffic in sight.
Midfield right down with 5.
Yep.
Traffic in sight, 250, got the citation.
81250 Naples Tower, roger. Number 3, follow the citation, runway 5, cleared to land.
Cleared to land number 3 on 5, 250. So once he passes my wing, I can start turning in and following him in. Our base leg.
Go ahead and turn the base for me, please.
Turning base, 250.
Wind check.
Our 310 at 8.
310 at 8, 250.
One Hotel, turn right at Charlie, contact ground point 6.
Contact Charlie, turn right at Charlie, contact ground point 6. Thanks, November 8441 Hotel.
Yeah.
Good morning, Naples Tower. Earlier, 178 Mike on a right base for 05.
Tower, say again.
Yeah, it's Lear 178 Mike, right base is 05.
178 Mike, Naples Tower, Roger, square the turn to final, your number 2 following Cherokee traffic over the beach, runway 5, cleared to land.
All right, we'll square it off, and we're going to be number 2 behind the Cherokee, clear to land, 05, 178 Mike.
2 Golf Sierra, where do you park?
Yeah, we're going right here to the right.
Roger, ground point 6 when you're off, have a good one.
6 here. Naples Tower, Arrow, 8320 Hotel is about 5 east.
8320 Hotel, Roger, 1 left 360 for sequence.
1 left 360 for sequence, 8320 Hotel.
4 Juliet Lima, once you're on the downwind, extend your following Learjet traffic on a 5-mile funnel.
Okay, we'll extend to the Learjet on 5 mile mark.
For 8427 Kilo, proceed direct to the airport and report a midfield left downwind for runway 5.
Report left downwind for runway 5, 27 Kilo.
78 Mike, if you can, start reducing to your final approach. I'm going to try to get one departure out ahead of you.
Yeah, we're slow, 178 Mike.
Great, 1250, no delay, right turn Charlie, ground point 6.
Right turn on Charlie, ground point 6, 250.
That's a 48 Juliet Lima, I'll call your base.
Roger that.